everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have a kitchen basic. With the current state of things, there is evidently a cream cheese shortage. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a commercial brick of cream cheese and turn it into soft, spreadable, lovely whipped cream cheese in no time. Just 2 ingredients and you're gonna love it. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own whipped cream cheese at home. Now we are starting with a brick of commercial cream cheese. This is a softened 8-ounce brick of cream cheese. Now I am well aware that there is what they are calling a cream cheese shortage right now. So sad. But look, you can make your own cream cheese, and if you are interested in having me show you how to do that, please leave a comment down below, because making cream cheese is not as hard as you think, and it doesn't require any special equipment or ingredients or anything. It's pretty much cut and dry, and you'll have cream cheese whenever you want it, as long as you can get milk and cream and buttermilk. Today we're making it using a brick of commercial cream cheese and some heavy cream. Now this cream cheese has been softened, it's been sitting out for a couple of hours, and all we're gonna do now is we're going to get this whipped up and fluffy. Now that we've achieved the optimal fluffiness, I'm just gonna scrape it down. It's nice and soft, and that's exactly where you want it. And now we're gonna add some heavy cream. Now, I have a half a cup here, but I may only start with a 1/4 of a cup, and then we'll go from there and see how it looks. And then you're just gonna whip this until all the ingredients are incorporated and the heavy cream is whipped, and the cream cheese is whipped into the heavy cream, and then you'll have whipped cream cheese. Now when you see that the cream is no longer liquidy and everything has been well incorporated and it looks like one cohesive mass, you have whipped cream cheese. I used a 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream and 1 brick of cream cheese. That's how simple that was. In my area, it's becoming intensely more difficult to find cream cheese of any kind, whether it's solid bricks or spreadable version or whipped version. So because Rick really enjoys having whipped cream cheese on his bagel, this is one of the reasons why I'm making this today. So whipped cream cheese, that's as easy as it gets. That's a super basic, kitchen basic, and if you have these ingredients on hand, there's no reason why you can't do it. I'm gonna put this in a dish and I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like. And there is our delicious homemade whipped cream cheese. Now I know the cream cheese isn't made from scratch, but if you wanna see me do that in another video, please leave a comment down below and I will put it on the rotating schedule. Now you can see how lovely. Look at this, just lovely and fluffy and spreadable. You're gonna be able to spread this on a bagel or on your toast, put it on your sandwiches, use it on crackers. You can turn this into a beautiful herbed cream cheese spread. You can make any kind of dip with this. It's gonna be great.
It's actually better than what you get in the store.
Well, it is, because there's not as many preservatives. Now, because I use commercial cream cheese and it has a certain amount of gums and stabilizers in it, this is going to stay nice in your refrigerator for up to a week. So only make what you think you're going to use in that amount of time. With my family, I know this is going to disappear in no time. So that's how you make whipped cream cheese, really simple, with 2 ingredients, with commercial cream cheese. And if you want to see me make homemade cream cheese, which is really simple, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you try it. I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.